Are you about to make your first car purchase but feel overwhelmed by the endless options? The world of cars can be tricky for first-time buyers, but fear not. We're about to dive into the ultimate list of the top 10 cars that blend affordability, performance, and style, tailored just for you. Buying your first car is an exciting yet daunting experience. With countless models, brands, and features to consider, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Should you go for affordability, safety, fuel efficiency, or something more stylish? Well, why not choose a vehicle that strikes a balance between all these factors? This script will guide you through the top 10 cars that first-time buyers should consider, factoring in key elements like cost, maintenance, safety, and technology. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which car will suit not only your lifestyle, but also your budget. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone looking to upgrade from public transport, this guide is packed with insights that will help you make an informed decision. 1. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is the definition of reliability, making it an excellent choice for first-time buyers. Known for its fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs, the Corolla has been a top contender in the compact car category for decades. It offers a smooth driving experience, a comfortable interior, and advanced safety features. For anyone looking for a balance between practicality and a sleek design, the Corolla should be on your shortlist. Why? It's a great choice. Exceptional fuel efficiency, up to 30 mpg city, 38 mpg highway. Toyota Safety Sense System. Low maintenance and high resale value too. Honda Civic. Another solid option for first-time car buyers is the Honda Civic. This car is synonymous with durability and ease of handling. The Civic is available in various trims from the base model to sportier variants, offering something for everyone. Its sleek design and advanced tech features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist make it an appealing choice for young drivers who want a car that feels modern. Why it's a great choice. Stylish and modern exterior, reliable and long-lasting, equipped with advanced safety and tech features. 3. Ford Fiesta. If you're looking for a small, fun-to-drive car, the Ford Fiesta is a must-consider. While it's compact, the Fiesta doesn't sacrifice performance for size. It's agile, making it perfect for city driving and tight parking spots. Moreover, the Fiesta comes in both hatchback and sedan models, giving buyers flexibility and style. It also has a lively engine that delivers a spirited driving experience without breaking the bank. Why it's a great choice. Affordable and budget-friendly compact, making it ideal for urban areas, fun to drive with a responsive engine. 4. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 offers the perfect blend of sophistication and performance. If you want a car that feels a bit more upscale without an exorbitant price tag, this is a solid choice. It's available in both sedan and hatchback forms, and Mazda's signature zoom driving dynamics make it a blast to drive. Its interior is well designed, with top-notch materials that give it a luxurious feel. Why it's a great choice. Upscale interior and exterior. Excellent driving dynamics, great fuel economy and safety features. 5. Hyundai Elantra. Hyundai has been making a name for itself as a manufacturer of affordable yet feature-packed vehicles, and the Elantra is no exception. For first-time buyers, the Elantra is a solid choice due to its extensive warranty, one of the best in the industry, and modern design. It also boasts impressive fuel economy and a comfortable cabin, making it perfect for both city commutes and long drives. Why it's a great choice. Industry-leading warranty, stylish and feature-packed. Efficient and cost-effective. 6. Kia Soul. If you're after something with a unique look, the Kia Soul might be right up your alley. With its boxy design and spacious interior, the Soul stands out from the crowd. It offers a high driving position, which many people prefer, and despite its quirky design, it's highly practical with ample cargo space. The Soul also comes with a range of tech features that make it a strong contender for first-time buyers. Why it's a great choice. Unique, eye-catching design, spacious interior and cargo space. Loaded with tech features for its price point. 7. Chevrolet Spark. For those on a tight budget, the Chevrolet Spark is an excellent choice. It's one of the most affordable new cars on the market and still offers essential features without feeling like a compromise. Its compact size makes it perfect for city dwellers, and it's surprisingly spacious on the inside. Plus, the Spark offers modern connectivity options like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Why it's a great choice. Extremely affordable, compact, and easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Comes with modern tech features at a low price. 8. Subaru Impreza. If all-wheel drive, AWD, is a priority for you, then the Subaru Impreza should be on your radar. Subaru is known for its AWD system, which provides excellent traction and control in various weather conditions. The Impreza is also fuel-efficient for an AWD vehicle and offers a spacious, comfortable interior. Whether you're dealing with snow, rain, or rough terrain, the Impreza has you covered. Why it's a great choice. Standard all-wheel drive, excellent for all weather conditions, spacious and comfortable interior. 9. Nissan Sentra. The Nissan Sentra is another great option for first-time buyers. It's a well-rounded car with good fuel efficiency, a comfortable interior, and a modern exterior. The Sentra offers a smooth ride and a suite of advanced safety features, making it an attractive option for young drivers who prioritize safety and reliability. Why it's a great choice. Affordable and fuel-efficient, sleek, and modern design, comes with advanced safety features. 10. Volkswagen Golf. Rounding out our list is the Volkswagen Golf, a hatchback that has earned a reputation for its versatility and quality. The Golf offers a premium feel with its refined interior and solid build quality. It's fun to drive, with responsive handling and a turbocharged engine that delivers great performance. For first-time buyers looking for something sporty yet practical, the Golf is an excellent pick. Why it's a great choice. Fun to drive with sporty handling, high-quality interior, and solid build. Turbocharged engine offers great performance. Choosing the right car as a first-time buyer is no easy task, but narrowing down your options based on your priorities, whether it's affordability, safety, or style, can make the process a lot smoother. The cars on this list represent a diverse range of options, each offering a unique blend of features suited to different types of drivers. Whether you're looking for something practical and efficient like the Toyota Corolla, or something a little more adventurous like the Kia Soul, there's a car here that's perfect for your needs. Take your time, do your research, and most importantly, choose a car that makes you feel confident and excited to hit the road.